Okay, let's go topic. You know that here is a topic sentence. Do you have your one way to connect with someone you meet for the first time? Can we discuss this topic? 1 or 2 minutes we can discuss about this topic.
Uh, no. What about you?
Yeah, I think that most probably when you're free, we can search the social media such as we can follow the social media platform. Here is a lot of people connected with you, and we can share any kind of idea, any kind of method. Then a lot of the people that join with you. I think that is very effective for every person connect to another person. Uh, and when you meet the first time in one person, it's very amazing experience in your life. I think that okay, I skip this
Oh, that's
topic
good.
right now, and then we can both formal language, right?
Yeah,
Exactly. And then we can share
yeah.
both any kind of issue, you can any kind of event. What is your visa plan? Do you have any plan in the future?
To be abroad?
Okay. I repeat these questions. Do you have to plan? Do you have to plan to move another country in the future?
Y- Yes, I have. Yes, I have. After
Uh,
graduation, yes, I have.
I think that we
But I'm not decide where I'm going to be, but I have. Yes, I have. What about you?
yeah, I have a big plan for move to another country because I want to complete my pre-master's program in a European country such as Germany. I want to apply for master's program in the German
Okay,
universities, and
okay.
then I want to settle in this country because you know that German country is very beautiful and very pretty environment, and that's why most of the
Oh,
people want to move to this country. And here is life pattern is very easy and job facilities is more. That's why a lot of students try to German country, and we know that German provided to full funded scholarship for international student. That's why I want to complete a pre-master's program in German universities.
wow, that's really amazing. You will achieve it.
Yeah, thank you so much for appreciate me. Okay, I
Yeah.
asking to another question. Do you love flower? Flower? Do you love?
Flower?
Yes. Do you love flower?
Yes, I think so, but I don't know really because nobody's giving me some flowers. Yeah,
Uh-huh.
that's why I don't know the feeling.
Okay, no
But
problem.
yeah,
Yeah, I think
but I
that
like
we
it.
cannot
I think I like,
propose
yeah.
in any boys. Uh,
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Nobody.
nobody proposed to
Nobody.
you. Don't worry about this.
And I'm not proposed actually. This is my mothering, yeah.
Oh, your mother, an Indian person.
Ring, yeah.
Oh, that's
Yeah,
fine. Do you want to talk
yeah.
in another social media platforms such as Gym?